Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn basics of MS Excel and also 5 functions. When we start MS Excel, we get workbook and workbook consists of worksheets. So here the first bar, this is called title bar, which consists of name of the workbook which we are working. The second one is called menu bar, which consists of file, home, insert, draw, page layout, formulas. Third one is called ribbon. This ribbon consists of group of commands in one place. See here, all clipboard related commands, all here alignment commands, number related commands, styles, like that. So here, this button you can see, this is called launcher. If we click this arrow mark, what are all the extra commands, the group of commands in this, all that will be activated so that we can use that, commands will be shown. Now this one is called name box. Here wherever our cell is there, cell means intersection of column and row, a rectangular shape where we can enter the information. See, this is called name box, and next to that is called formula bar. So the starting, whenever we start, Excel's home address is A1. If I click here, you can see here P3, this is the column name and row name, like that. This is the home. So total number of columns ABCD is, if you see, 16,384. That is XFD. After Z we get again AA, AB, AC, AZ, then BA, BB, like that. The last one is XFD, and that is 16,384. Now here the rows also 1, 2, 3, 4. The last row is 10,48,576. Now to save the time, I created one workbook which consists of students' names, numbers and 6 subjects marks. We are going to find out total, average, minimum, maximum and count. So wherever we want to get the total, we have to click that cell. So here see I2, here we can see in the name box I2. Here I can write equal to sum and the range I can type, otherwise direct with auto sum I can do that. See here, this is called auto sum button, and I can click this. Whenever we click, see here, when I click this auto sum, automatically the range is selected equal to sum C2 to H2, because our data is C2 to H2. If we have to press enter key. Automatically we get the total. Now if you want the same total of other students, we need not to type the formula, just we have to drag that. For that we have to keep our mouse pointer at the rightmost corner bottom of the cell, then that cursor will become into insertion point. See, now this is fill handle, this is called fill handle. When it becomes thin plus, we have to hold it down the primary mouse button and drag it to down. Next we want to find out average. Click where we want to find the average. See here J2. To confirm that, in the name box we can see, I need not to type again this also. Let us go to same auto sum. There you see average. Let me click average. When we click average, automatically average and range is selected, but here we should be careful, even this total also included here I2. We don't require that. Then what we have to do, just from where to where we want, click and drag up to where we want the data. See, this is now C2 to H2. Press enter key. Automatically average also has come. If you want to drag like before, we can drag, but after we can drag all together also. Coming to minimum. After coming to the minimum, see, we have to click here. You can see here K2. Come to the same here again. Now minimum, we have to click the function minimum. Now for minimum also selected everything. We don't need all that. We need only from S1 to S6. See, up to here we need. Press enter key, minimum is displayed. Now coming to the maximum, max, that is max, and click the max one. Again see, minimum total not required. We need from here to here. Press enter key. Even we got the max also, that is maximum in the data. Now coming to the count, coming to this one, let us take count. Now count also, see here, it selected everything, it is selected. We don't require. Same again we have to repeat up to where we need. We have to select that. Press enter key. Now count also it has given. Previously this one only we have dragged. Now all this together, select the range and keep the mouse pointer rightmost corner. Then it became fill handle. This is called fill handle. Now drag that up to down. All that it has been displayed. Everything will be displayed. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.